If you want to completely block this Safari app on your iPhone, then go to settings here. Go to screen time. Select this option, lock screen time settings. Now you have to enter a passcode. This passcode will be different than the one that you use to unlock your iPhone. So let me put 1 2 3 4. Again re-enter the password to confirm. Now you can enter your Apple ID here so that you can reset the passcode if you forget it. For me, I won't forget, so I will select this option cancel and then skip. Once you have set the screen time passcode, select this option content and privacy restrictions. Go to this option allowed apps and features. Now what you do is disable Safari. So once you do it, the Safari application will be hidden from the apps screen, and if someone tries to open by searching Safari app, then they can't open the application.